Is your iPhone frozen, not responding to touch, and won't turn off? Don't panic. In most cases, you can fix it yourself in about a minute. Let me show you the right steps, from the easiest to the most definitive. Step 1. Force restart. The trick that unlocks the iPhone 90% of the time. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then press and release volume down. Then hold the side button, the one on the right, until the Apple logo appears. Your iPhone will restart even if it was completely frozen. Step 2. Put it on charge. Sometimes it's just a completely dead battery. Connect your iPhone to a wall charger and wait at least 15 to 30 minutes. If the battery was totally empty, the screen looked frozen, but the phone was actually off. After a few minutes of charging, it may turn back on by itself. Step 3. Recovery mode. If it stays stuck on the Apple logo, connect your iPhone to the computer with the cable. Open Finder on a Mac or iTunes on Windows. Then repeat the sequence. Volume up, volume down, and hold the side button. But this time, don't let go when you see the Apple logo. Keep holding until the recovery mode screen appears. Step 4. Update without losing data. The last resort that saves your photos. On the computer, a window appears with two choices: Update and Restore. Choose Update, not Restore. Update reinstalls iOS without erasing your photos, contacts, and apps. Restore, on the other hand, wipes everything. Wait for it to finish, and your iPhone will be working again. Did you manage to unlock your iPhone? Let me know in the comments which step worked. Subscribe to TATOS for more iPhone tips.